Hello, my name's Erin from Stoke Audi, and today I will be showing you around this approved used Audi Q5 Sport 40 TDI quattro. It comes dressed in the stunning and eye-catching brilliant black, sure to turn heads when on the road. At the time of this recording, the car's done 9,656 miles. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm star design, making a bold statement with every turn. For added convenience, the power-operated tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze when those hands are full. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your everyday to-day needs, as well as those larger items such as pushchairs and suitcases. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, with the centre armrest for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. Taking a look around, as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the Audi cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, with a front centre armrest and manual seating adjustments. Behind the wheel you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi cockpit and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The Audi cockpit showing you key information in the driver's view, such as a wide selection of your favourite FM and DAB radio stations, connection of your mobile phone device to stay in touch with loved ones, and a view of your satellite navigation map. For added safety, the rear view camera helps to manoeuvre in those tight spaces with confidence and ease. The MMI multimedia display, going into Audi smartphone, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port, into Maps, where you can find your desired destination, telephone, to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go, media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB radio stations to sing along to, and the car menu to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive. Then below you have the 3-zone climate control, so both driver and passenger can choose their preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected on the go with the 12-volt and USB charging point, keeping your devices powered up. You also have the controls to the MMI display. Finished off with the all-important automatic gearbox with the electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile. If this is the car for you, call our friendly team today on 01782 488 205. Thank you.